Hi, this is Carl with Alpha Alarm. Home alarm systems in Albuquerque sometimes get a slow response from the police. The slow response from the police is due to the fact that 95% of all alarm calls are false alarms. The police will respond faster to a home with Alpha Alarm because all of our systems come standard with a two-way voice intercom. Two-way voice allows our dispatch center to communicate directly inside the home during an alarm event, thus allowing them to determine a false alarm versus a real alarm. The police will respond faster because of a two-way voice feature that comes standard with our systems. If you found this information helpful, please visit our website at www.getalpha.com or give us a call at 505-296-2202. Thanks and have a great day.